How to scan a QR code from gallery on Android. First of all, open the QR code scanner app on your Android phone. On many Android phones, you can find this option in the control panel or in the app list. So locate the app and tap on it to open. Once you are inside the app, tap on the gallery icon at the bottom. This will open your phone's media library on the screen. Now find an open QR code image that you want to scan. Your phone will analyze the QR code and display the linked content such as website, text or content information. From here, you can copy the link or open it directly into your browser. For this example, I added a YouTube link to the QR code, so that's why it opens YouTube on the screen. And that's it. This is how you can scan a QR code directly from your gallery on Android. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.